What is up, good people? Jungle Link here. Hope you're doing well. Tomorrow could be a big pivot for markets. Today we got PPI coming in under expectations, and if we can get the same for CPI tomorrow, it's going to calm some of those inflation fears, and this market is going to take off like a rocket. Looks like it's getting ready to do so. The 24-hour, most cryptos are in the green, but on the 7-day, still most cryptocurrencies in the top 10 are in the red outside of XRP and Doge. XRP dominating, up 19% on the 7-day. This thing is poised for a big run in perfect position when this market goes back to full-on crazy town. XRP is ready to rock and roll. We see Mario posting the following: XRP aiming for $5. Ripple's meme coins got the ledger buzzing. This is a big deal here. XRP back on the move, hitting its highest level in 4 weeks, fueled by the rise of meme coins. Now, that's part of it. There's a lot going on, but that has been driving a lot of transactions, a lot of value. It's good to see an app having success there with First Ledger. The XRP ledger is stacking gains, $68 million transaction value locked, and Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin now flexing a 72 million market cap with 172 million in daily volume, smashing PayPal's PYUSD shortly after launch. This is exciting, and I'm telling you, once we get AMMs updated and we can use RLUSD in those AMMs, it's going to fuel a lot of demand for RLUSD. You're going to see that daily volume go up like a rocket ship. You're going to see transaction value locked explode on the XRP ledger, and I think that's going to cause XRP's token value to go up in a big way. A bullish pennant pattern on the charts signals a breakout that could send XRP beyond $2.91 and possibly $5. I cannot wait for new all-time highs. I'm looking for that. I really want $6, but $5 to $6 range to start doing some selling, start pulling some cash. I think we're going to get there Q1 of this year. Mario also posting, the SEC's crypto playbook is getting wrecked. Gary Gensler ain't dropping his war on crypto. He's only got a few days left, though. It ain't going good. Ripple's case could be the next. Coinbase just scored a big W in court, with the judge calling the SEC's moves arbitrary and capricious. We keep hearing this over and over and over again. The Coinbase judge is like, we're not gonna continue until an appeals court looks at this issue. And they are waiting on the SEC to give answers, and they better be good ones this time. They've been instructed, don't give us the same nonsense, the unclear answers. We want some real answers here. This shakeup could hit hard in Ripple's fight, especially if another court backs the same logic. There's not going to be any other court. This is not going to continue to appeals. This sucker is over. It's just a matter of time. Lawyers say the SEC's outdated rules don't fit crypto. I think we do need new rules, but the problem is the SEC is just making up their own rules because they don't like the current rules, and that's the issue, not so much old ones. Stuart Alderati says on January 20th, Gary Gensler's war on crypto ends once and for all. Get out of here. We asked the SEC to agree to postpone the filing of their opening brief in their appeal of our victory. And I like how he frames that because that's true. You can see who's appealing that ruling by Judge Torres. It ain't Ripple. They're ready to move on. No, it's the SEC. They don't like the ruling. Current deadline is January 15th, but they are refusing to delay that. They should kick it over to the next, SEC chair to decide what he wants to do. But Gary Gensler wants to take one more shot at us on his way out the door. It ain't gonna matter. This sucker is on like Donkey Kong. He is on his way out, and we are on our way up. That's a big deal. Nevertheless, we are confident in our position on an appeal and look forward to working with new SEC leadership to resolve this matter. One cautionary thing I would say: don't assume everything is going to be perfect with the new SEC regime. We will always be adversarial with them to some extent, but we should have more moderation, more sensible regulations. They may not be perfect. The enforcement may not be what we want, but it's not going to be like Gary Gensler's regime here. JP Morgan, I covered this yesterday, that they made a prediction for XRP ETF that it could see between $4 and $8 billion worth of inflows. Well, now they're saying the combined inflows from Solana and XRP could be as high as $14 billion. Absolutely massive amount of money that's going to come screaming into cryptocurrencies. And again, a rising tide lifts all boats. It's going to be great for everyone. XRP, interesting enough, they're extrapolating a little more money flowing into that ETF than Solana. think it makes some kind of sense though, because Solana hasn't been around as long, traditionally doesn't have as high of a market cap. If you average it over time, it's a little more volatile, going up to 3, dropping down to 17. But further, Solana has the alternative, which is Ethereum. It's a main smart contract token that people could invest in. And they haven't even started yet, as much as I think they will here in the coming months. A big XRP Community Day on January 28th, right here on X. They're going to do a Spaces. They're going to be talking about XRP Ledger innovations, tokenization, DeFi, gaming, and a whole lot more. I'll be tuning into this, hearing what they had to say. We're going to hear from Ripple execs, builders, and XRP Ledger community members. This should be a good one here. And I'm telling you, I keep sleeping on gaming. I shouldn't, because I know good and well that's going to be a big driver of value with blockchain. It's just an area that I don't pay a lot of attention to, and I probably should have more money invested into that area of crypto. We had this speech today from President Trump. Instead of attacking industries of the future, this administration will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin. It's going to be a totally different world here for the crypto industry. It's getting ready to rock and roll. For the first time ever, a U.S. politician has purchased XRP, at least on a public disclosure. I wouldn't doubt if a lot of them have some sort of indirect investment in XRP. But this person here invested $15,000 into XRP. And his name is Guy Challer. I don't know how to say his name. I'll try to learn. We have here someone from a U.S. politician buying XRP. That's great. Again, we talked about PPI was under expectation. They were forecasting 3.5. It's only at 3.3, so that's good year over year. And we want to see what we get tomorrow. That's a big one, and I think if it's good, this space is going to rock. It's just a matter of time here. Pro Crypto, Tom Emmer has been appointed as vice chairman of the subcommittee on digital assets, financial technology, and artificial intelligence. Of course, Tom Emmer, world famous for yelling, XRP is not a security. What an amazing turn of events here. All the people going into these positions are pro-crypto, and that's going to be the future. Lastly, BlackRock CEO sees Bitcoin as a potential asset bigger than gold, offering wealth protection in uncertain times. You know, Larry Fink was very anti-crypto, anti-Bitcoin. He pivoted over time. You're going to see this when this starts happening, just crypto in general, or people are flipping over to the XRP ecosystem. Be inviting. Welcome to the revolution, friend. Don't chase them off, be annoying. This isn't a cult. We want all the people that want in, let them in, and get ready for the next stage of adoption. Cryptocurrencies are going mainstream, and you're going to have a lot of these critics, a lot of these cynics that start pivoting over, and it's good because it means more money flowing into this space, and we should see XRP and crypto in general start going up in a significant way. Let me know what you think down below. As always, please like, please subscribe. The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.